happy birthday, Ate Malajan. Thank you for standing as our mother with whom we can share our ups and downs. Thank you so much for everything you've done for us, especially for giving advice that makes life bearable, and for making our birthdays extra special with your amazing surprises. Thank you so much for everything, and may you enjoy this special day. Good luck on your journey, and please remember that we are always here for you, no matter what. Happy birthday, Ate Malajan!
Hi, Ate Malajan! Happy birthday! I just wanna say thank you so much for everything. Betote, thank you so much for being there for me, for us, your CYC family, through thick and thin. I hope that as you celebrate your birthday, you may experience all the love, happiness, and success you deserve. We are forever grateful for you and for everything you have shared with us. Thank you so much, and once again, happy birthday. We love you so much. Mwah.
Hi Ate Meljen, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. And also Ate, sa letter na lang tanan. Bye!
Happy birthday, Ate MJ! Happy birthday to you. I just want to say that, you know, for all those times, you know, you stood by me for all the truth that you made me see, for all the wrong that you made right. Thank you so much, Ate, and Bitaw, happy birthday, Ate, and I just want you to know that you are like a diamond sa choir, always shining bright and leading the way. Bitaw, happy birthday to you, Ate, and may you enjoy the new chapter God has brought to your life. Thank you so much, Ate. Happy birthday!
So, hi Day, happy birthday. Thank you kayo kay kanang naati ka na mo sa. Thank you kayo sa pag-guide na mo sa pagbira sa simbahan. Nya, so far sa atong pagkuyog kay kanang kita ra duha manglakaw ta na very ako ginasya gi-treasure yung mga advice nako no na sa unsa akong mga pambuhaton puhon. So pasalamat kay ko kay kana imo ko gi-guidean sa sakto. Nya, sa as ate sa family kay thankful kay me kay every time nga namin need kay nakaka-always na mo provide. So wish na ko sa imong birthday kay kanang hinaot nga good health ka always, no, palayo ka sa mga negative, then dili na ka mag kanang overthink, then padayon lang sa pagka malipayong tao. Maro jud na jud kung sa ka malipay adto ano, follow your heart lead always. So dili na ako tas-on. So wala to, salamat and happy birthday. Wish you all the best. God bless.
My dearest Ate, you have been such a guiding light in our choir. Your kindness, wisdom, and unwavering faith have inspired us all. Time and again, you have selflessly given of yourself, your time, your energy, your heart. Your approachability and generosity have created a nurturing environment where we feel safe to grow, both as singers and as individuals. We are truly blessed to have you as our ate. Through your shining example, you have taught us the true meaning of servant leadership. Your unwavering faith and compassion are a testament to the love of God. Ate, we are forever grateful for your blessings in our lives. May the Lord continue to bless you abundantly as you have blessed us. Happy birthday, sis, ate, our choir. Happy birthday! We wish you all the best.
Good times and bad times, I'll be on your side. Sa kana pala nga kanta, Day, please know nga, in good times and in bad times, naragid ko always for you. If ever you have problems when it comes to family, money, charis, or love life, please know na you can count on me. You can share it to me always. And unta, mas successful ta sa ato ang mga career in the future. Unta day dagan pagyapon ka og kanang baskog nga lawas sa atong Ginoo. And mora gyud today. Thank you so much for everything. Tanan. Happy birthday og unta. Isa tawag ninyo ha. Charis, career first. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Melgin. Happy birthday. Ito, happy birthday, Ate Melgin. Charis. Happy birthday, Ate Melgin. I wish that God giving you a good health always and shower you more blessings to come. I am blessed, Ate, and lucky to have you, Jud, Ate. Grabe, Jud. Ay ka-supportive and grabe ka-effort na, Ate. Grabe, Jud. Ate, thank you, and I love you so much. I love you, and happy birthday. Happy na birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Jan. Happy birthday, Tita Jan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Jan. Miss you, Tita Jan. I love you.
Hi, Ate Melgin! Happy birthday to you! May you enjoy this day to the fullest and you deserve all the love in the world. Once again, happy birthday, Ate Melgin! We love you!
Hello me, happy birthday. Happy birthday to my special person who brings so much joy to my heart. I'm thankful me sa tanang moments that we shared and spent together. I wish and I hope that happiness will never ends. And may this day, mami, unsa man ang kahayag sa adlaw karon, unta mao pud ang kahayag karon sa imong kanyag ug mga pahiyom. I wish you this birthday, mami, filled full of love, enjoyment, and all the desires to your heart, because you only deserve all the best. And kung unsa man imong mga dreams and goals karon, mami, I'm always here to respect, love, and support you. No matter how old we get, I will always be here in God's time. Happy birthday, me, once again. I love you. Enjoy. Bye-bye.